Hi guys! So ayan, may bago na naman tayong pagkukwentuhan. Since chismosa na ang inyong agent na mataray, ayoko na magdirect kasi gusto ko na maging chismosa. So whatever problem na narinig nyo, i-chismis nyo sa akin para igawin nating topic. Nakakatuwa kasi nasi-share natin to sa mga kapwa natin OFW. Pero let's just focus on most of the people's inquiry, most of the applicants' inquiry. So, may mga nababasa ako, oy, hindi naman siya nagre-reply, oy, ganon, mga something na ano. Tapos, yung mga comment, how to apply pa rin. And then, others, okay lang po ba na break contract? Okay lang po ba yung ganon? Nasagot ko na po lahat-lahat ng tanong nyo. And again, uulitin ko po. Okay? Link, ang full video nito, nasa baba yung link. Click nyo na lang. So, ayan. So, every day we're gonna create a video. Ipopost ko na lang siya sa YouTube ko para matawa naman ako, diba? So, yes, I am aiming for a watch time. And also, I'm aiming for views. But this time, I'm gonna focus on some inquiries na nababasa ko through comment sections and sa mga messages na rin sa Messenger and sa WhatsApp. So, as you can see, I created this page para po ma-inform kayo sa mga job application, sa mga problema na pwede nyong kapulutan ng aral, or sa mga sitwasyon na meron tayo, sa mga restrictions, if there is polo visit, lahat-lahat po, ipopost ko po dito. And most of the time, I am so busy. I don't know kung anong ginagawa ko sa buhay ko, but I am busy. So, even natutulog ako pag sinabi ko sa inyong busy ako, I am busy. Okay, so let's go back to the topic. So, people are asking me how to apply. Again, I created the page and I put a WhatsApp button na dito sa page na to. You have to click it lang and then it will go directly to our WhatsApp business account. So, pag nasa WhatsApp business account na kayo, you will receive an automatic message. If there is no automatic messages, wait. Somebody will send it to you no matter what. So, if you do have a WhatsApp business, if you do send a message in our WhatsApp business, you have to send your introduction video. And please, please, please don't send me your resume. I don't check it. I don't read it. I want your introduction video and please fill in nyo lang yung automatic message. If you still don't receive it, you will have it. Okay? You will have it. Whatever happens, you will have an automatic message in your WhatsApp. So, I hope that I hope sa how to apply na sagot ko na. So, what are the requirements? What are the requirements na kailangan i-comply? First, nasa Pilipinas kayo. If you are in abroad, at least 2 weeks before you fly. And you must have your ticket kung nasa abroad kayo. Third, you have your valid passport. No, if it is going to expire 1 year, you have to renew it. And what else? So, the next step, of course, you are full fit to work. You are fit to work, and then NBI and what's the other one? Birth certificate. So, birth certificate is a must with the receipt. Kung walang receipt, I think hindi na siya valid. And of course, you must have your marriage contract kung married kayo. So, now, there are questions na nare-receive ko. Ma'am, yung passport ko married, pero hiwalay na kami. Of course, you have to follow the passport. So you have to apply as a married person. Do not confuse yourself. So, ma'am, what if naman single ako pero married na? Yung passport ko single pero married na. Okay. If you'd never changed your status since before, it's fine. Do not change it. You can also not declare your husband. It's your choice. Or you can, declare your passport is like this, but you have a marriage contract. It's still okay. Okay? Pwedeng magpa-single kayo, baka mamaya magloko si mister, o at least single ang passport nyo. As a lady, as a woman ng Philippines, we have the right to retain our names. No need naman to change our status. So, okay, I hope that answers your questions sa mga ano. So, what are the qualifications? So, tapos na tayo sa requirements. So, what are the qualifications? So, our qualifications, I don't need a degree holder. Kasi, some of the people na may degree and hindi nila kayang utus-utusan. Yun ang napansin ko. And most of them have this nose up, kahit naman pangu sila. They wanted to, they cannot survive with the culture of Turkey. Most of the people here, cultured shock. So, ayun na nga. Chismisan muna tayo ng 101. What are the problems pa na we are facing? Qualification. Ang English is a must. Mom, hindi marunong mag-English yung mga employer. Yes. Most of them cannot speak English, but why they are hiring Filipino? Because our mother tongue is Tagalog and English. So, most of us understand English and can speak English. Not very good, but can understand and can, communicate English. If you are able to communicate English, then it's good. Hindi mo kailangan maging call center agent or pag nag-video ka, yung accent mo very American accent or English accent. Hindi ko maintindihan. Nasira na nga rin yung accent ko. Hindi ko na makita kung nasan na. So anyway, hayaan na natin si accent. Guys, kailangan nyo lang is nakakaintindi kayo and nakakapagsalita kayo. That's enough. Kasi the child naman will copy you. There are television na pwede nyo namang panoorin if they are allowed to watch. The rest, forget it. So, wag nyo na pahirapan ng sarili nyo. So, what are the other qualifications? Hardworking. And also, syempre mga ex-abroad na kayo, no? Mga ex-abroad na kayo. So, ano pa nga bang hardworking ha? Pasensyosa. Hindi yun, ma'am. Pasensyosa ako. Nag-work ako sa Saudi 7 years straight. And then, pagdating nyo dito, you are complaining. So, diba? Patient is hindi yun sa experience na nangyari sa inyo in the past. Patience is something that you've had from the start. Kasi pag apply pa lang, you will see how patient you are. Some of us struggles with the money on how we apply, how long can we wait, And some of us cannot wait kasi we are financially unstable. Lack of money tayo. Ang daming issues. So, ayun na nga. So, ang age limit natin is 25 to 46 years old again. Huwag niyo yung kakalimutan. Mom, nag-break contract ako. Just send an application and put the reason of your break contract. Pagkatapos mo ma-fill in yun, mag-send ka ng message, Mom, na break contract ako from Saudi. I stay there for 4 years, but then hindi ko natapos yung 4 years in one employer. I don't consider it as a break contract. Okay? I don't consider it as break contract. I consider break contract if you don't work for 2 years. You are terminated or you terminate your contract with your employer. So, yun. What else? Ano pa ba ang issue na gusto niyo? Yan. Basta make sure nyo medically fit kayo, ha? So, for the meantime, yun lang muna yung chismisan natin. Sa susunod naman, pag maganda na naman ang mood ko. And again, huwag kayong maniniwala kahit kanino. oy, kailangan dito educated, kailangan dito ganito. Nobody can tell your future, nor you. Tama ba yung English ko? Correct me if I'm wrong. Wala tayong dapat pakikinggan, kundi sarili natin. If you do have a dreams, set some goals and then reach it. Wag yung nag-set ka ng goals mo tas nakinig ka dun sa chismis ng walang kwentang tao. You destroy your dreams. Again, when you dream something, work for it. You don't ask somebody to help you out. You are asking yourself to be strong and patient to reach it. Ganon. So, tama na ba yun? So, next na naman na topic natin. Matatawa kayo kasi, again, another chismis yun from the applicants. So, next time again, see you and good night.